And we're back with another incredible custom home here at the 2023 St. George area parade of homes in southern Utah. And guys, this might be my favorite house of them all, but I can't confidently say that because there's so many incredible, gorgeous homes on this year's tour. So be sure to be tuned into the channel to never miss a video. This house here is house number 7. It's got 6 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, over 12,000 square feet, and it's priced at $5.5 million. I'm Briggs Anunobi. Sit back, relax, like and subscribe, and enjoy the tour. Let's get into it. Upon entering this home, you are greeted by an open foyer highlighted by a beautiful grand chandelier and a custom wrought iron railings. To the right of the entry, we have a formal living room with tons of natural light with distinctive and high character details throughout. Take a look. Alright guys, now let's head into the family area of this beautiful custom home and soak in more incredible details. For starters, I'm loving the custom built-ins on either side of this 2-story great room, elegant chandelier and vaulted ceiling designs, and then check out this 2-story fireplace with classy plaster designs on the surround. This house is the perfect combination of style, character, unbelievable entertaining and recreational spaces, and it still has that very homey feeling that I absolutely love. Christensen Homes did a phenomenal job in creating this masterpiece. And real quick guys, this was a live tour at the parade, so I got to experience this beautiful home with thousands of wonderful people just like you, up close and personal. So if you see yourself, say what's up in the comments and let me know your thoughts about this house. I really love the attention to detail in this owner's suite. It absolutely checks every box with the fireplace, the vaulted ceilings, the outdoor patio access, natural light, tons of space. I mean, everything is here. Take a look. love how the spa bathroom continues further down. Of course, you have your own private sauna, just as you should, right? And then you also have a built-in dresser area with gorgeous countertops, and it's right across from the second walk-in closet. This one has a built-in washer and dryer, and of course your custom closet systems. And then guys, you have to check out this owner's gym. I mean, this is such a cool feature. I love the vaulted ceilings, the built-in wall mirrors, and it also has a side access door as well. And guys, we are still inside the primary bedroom, which is just insane. Wow. Alright guys, now let's check out the rest of this home. I want to take everyone into our luxurious and elegant gourmet kitchen. Right this way. Alright guys, let's transition upstairs and explore the living areas. We have 4 bedrooms, a family room, and a really cool game room that you guys have to see. Right this way. guys, let's head back downstairs and check out more entertaining and recreational areas that you guys have to see. Right this way. Alright guys, so that does it for the tour of this beautiful custom home, house number 7 by Christensen Homes in St. George, Utah. Please let me know your thoughts about this beautiful home. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more video uploads from my parade tours. Be blessed, and I'll see you guys on the next property tour. Peace.